Okay. Now it's time to discuss. What did you learn from this video clip? Give me your hand. I want to hear from you. So, okay. Saya share. Okay. Saya share.
So basically, there were two parrots that were brothers, and there was like a storm. So one of them landed near like these criminal/hunters, and another one landed like near a wise teacher. And the one that fell near the hunters/bad guys learned bad stuff, while the other parrot who landed near the wise teacher learned wise and good stuff. And I think the moral of the story is if you are near good people, you will be good, and if you are near bad people, you will be bad.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, that's very that's very good key point. Saya share to us. Everyone, including me. So if we are growing up in the good environment with good teacher, we learn the good things. So that is our habit. We're doing day by day. So one day we also become the good human, good people. But if we are growing up in the environment is not good, we associate with stupid guy. So it also can affect us. So we also in that community that also affect us. That's very difficult for us to be a good one when we are in the stupid people in the environment. So and also, for example, right now we all learn from the Buddha teaching from the Dhamma. We try to learn, to understand, to practice, to being kind to everyone, and for being a good daughter, a good son, being a good student. All right? I also learn from you, from all of you. Yeah, I also learn from all of you. So what did we learn? We learn for being a good human, not just for this life, not just for this year. That's for the whole life, for the whole, we call it, until next life. If we're doing very good this life, that life also good. So in the story, for those who being so kind, generous, very, very kind. So finally, when they pass away, they go to heaven. But for those who are being very stupid or very unwholesome, they're doing the unwholesome, they go to the hell. Okay, so thank you.